Okay, so anyway, when we're solving a parabola and a straight line as a simultaneous equation, the sort of example we get is a parabola and a straight line, so we can find two particular answers. That may not be the representation of this particular problem, but that's how it all works out, all right? So when we're solving simultaneous equations, we're basically looking for intersections of lines. Most of the questions they ask you on this will be about intersections of lines. So what we're looking for here is where the line passes through the parabola. So to do that, just like any other simultaneous equation, we can equate the two things. So because this is y and this is y, we can make one equal to the other. They both equal y. We're treating them as the same answer. So therefore we can have x minus 3 will equal x plus 3, x minus 1. All right? So our next problem is that we have a quadratic here, and when we're solving quadratics, they must be equal to 0. We cannot solve a quadratic unless we've made it equal to 0. So we need to turn this all into a quadratic equals 0. So we've got x squared plus 2x minus 3 here. So we take everything over that side because I want a positive x squared. I like positive x squareds. So I'm going to move everything over this side and have 0 equals x squared, take away, add, right, negative 3 plus 3, gone away, on holiday, right? So we've got this that we're solving. So we want x squared plus x is equal to 0. When we've got a quadratic, we want to go through that process. So we want to factorise this really easily to this, all right? So the 2 points for x are going to be x equals 0 and x equals negative 1. So now we've got the 2 x points, we need to find the 2 y points. We don't stop there. They've asked us to show where it passes through. They're not only interested in x, it's coordinates. So to find the coordinates, we need to return to either one of those equations. Obviously, the straight line is easier. So at x equals 0, y will equal 0 minus 3, and at x equals negative 1, y will equal negative 1, take away 3 is negative 4. All right, so those are those 2 points where they cancel.